Now, if you have a few ads into the Google Chrome, what you need to do is, of course, to block them directly. Let's say, for example, outside the ads of the Google Chrome. How does these ads actually appear? I'm actually looking this is specific, for example, this article, and you can see that here we have some advertisement. This is the element that we do not want to see. So if you're sick to unskippable video ads and pop-ups, in the 2026 Chrome has changed how it handles extensions, making many old ad blockers are useless. So the best 2026 extensions, if you use the original uBlock, you needed to switch search for. I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to hit for Google extensions, and this will be sending me here into the Chrome web store.google.com. Directly in here, I can look out, for example, for the uBlock. This is an actual extension that actually works really fine. And there is an actual original nonsense adblock.org that has more than 3 stars. A sufficient content blocker ads tracker mod that you can download totally for free. So what I need to do is to hit into the option that says add to the Chrome. I hit for the option that says add extension, and into the upper right corner you can see that here the download element is going to be generated right away. And basically, if you hit for the option that says extensions here, you can see that your extensions will be appearing right over here. So what I need to do is just to make sure that the uBlock is already been activated, and you can see that here it says the manage your extension by clicking extensions to choose menu. Just like that, my extensions will be generated right away. So if I reload the page of what I'm actually seeing, I should have now the element of the uBlock already been enabled. So as you can see, I no longer see any specific ad, which I think is going to be really great. Now, if this process didn't work for you, the next element that I can suggest to you is to look out for an ad block, which usually is getadblock.com. This blocks ads into YouTube as your favorite site for free, and this make this process a little bit much more faster. There's the adblockplus.org. Make sure that when you wanted to download an ad block, this one has more than 4 stars, because usually this kind of ad blocks comes with some other extensions that you do not want to have into your own, in this case, your websites. Now, there's a last solution that I can give you. You can try it with another, in this case would be a browser. You can try it out with Brave. Now Brave has the automatic element of blocking some ads. They save your data, and this makes it a little bit much more faster to navigate directly here into Brave. This means that as long as you are using Brave, you will no longer see any kind of ads directly inside there, and this is totally for free. You can try out Brave totally for free, and you can make the quick comparison between, for example, since we're using Chrome, for example, you can see what's the difference between using Brave inside of Chrome and using this with Chrome without Chrome, which is the Brave element. So this is how we can actually get started with this element. You can choose one of those. So this is a really easy solution to how we can get started with these elements now into the 2026. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools like this. Combining the uBlock Original Lite with the Security NS is the ultimate setup for the fast ad-free Chrome experience. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we can all see you guys next time.